In my CMA intermediate, I have taken many of the classes which were not helpful for me. So after I have taken YouTube's help. So for law, I preferred Mohit sir's note and his revision lecture. For company law, that is corporate law, and for commercial law I preferred Shivangi ma'am and Ankita ma'am. Their videos are very good. For industrial law, I have searched random topics that suppose Provident Fund Act on YouTube, and there are many concise video for other exams that are very helpful for me. And for law, for ethics, there are many teachers who have uploaded video with some mnemonics. I have prepared from that videos using that mnemonics. And so this way I completed my law paper from YouTube. Now next, coming to accounts. Now coming to accounts I have done by myself only, because in class 12th also I have prepared accounts by myself only. In few topics like rectification of error, I have understood the concept from Dilip Badlani's sir classes, and some of the topics from CA Naresh Agrawal sir classes. So I have prepared accounts by myself, and I have gone through previous year papers and MTP, and that helped me a lot. So I have done accounts in this way only. DT I have taken class from Sony sir. So his notes are very helpful for me. But again I am saying, I have again understood the concept from YouTube using Neeraj Arora sir's video. So DT I have covered from Neeraj sir video. And costing I have done from CA Naresh Agrawal sir's video concept, and I preferred study mat. And in the same way I have gone through past year papers and MTP, and I have solved few numericals from study mat and past year paper. I have not solved a lot of questions, 100 200 questions. No, I have covered few questions from study mat only by understanding concept from CA Naresh Agrawal sir's video. GST I have done from CA Vivek Kava sir revision video. That was enough for me. And I have gone through past year papers and a type of question they are asking, and I have covered that questions from study mat only. And next, accounts and audit. Accounts I have covered from CMA Junction, and audit I have covered. Audit, we can basically understand what is audit. किसी की गलती निकालना. So if someone is having good command over English, so he or she can understand by reading the book. But I have taken help from Nikhil Agrawal sir's video also. So I haven't taken his class, but his videos helped me a lot, because after once you read the book, and after that, if someone is explaining you will never forget. So audit I have done in this way. Financial management, again I have done from YouTube, because in financial management also there is 50 marks cost. So financial management is interesting subject for me. OMSM I have covered from CMA Junction, and also some of the topics from Coursera Wise. Coursera Wise, there is a one YouTube channel Coursera Wise, in which she has explained in a very good way transportation problem and many operational management problems. So I have taken help from her video also. So this is all about my CMA intermediate preparation from YouTube. That helped me a lot during my exams in building concept and grasping things. Also last year papers and MTP is uh, is a game changer, because the questions that were available on those, if you solve that type of questions, now that will be enough. You don't need to solve 100 200 questions. Thank you, that's all.